Hello and welcome to the SMS recovery tutorial. In this tutorial I will explain what are the steps that have to be followed in order to recover an SMS which was deleted by your mobile phone. I will also explain what are the concepts which make this process possible. First of all, let me tell you what are the requirements to make this happen. You need a card reader which is PCSE compliant. This is the device which is used to to read the contents of the card and then process it somehow. Afterwards, you use the same device to commit the new changes to the SIM card. The second item you need is a program which is able to use the card reader in order to achieve this purpose. The program I will be using in this tutorial is called Descartes SIM Manager, and you can download it from the website, which is www.descartes.com. Now let us proceed to the actual card reading step. First of all, run the program. You have to make sure that the card is plugged in. This little icon here tells us that there is a SIM card connected to the reader. If I unplug the card, the icon is gone. So let me put it back. The program shows me that the card is there. Now I can press the read button and wait for the data to be read. Most of us think that once an SMS was deleted, it cannot be recovered and is gone forever. But in reality, things are slightly different. It turns out that an SMS is only marked as deleted and not actually deleted. It will reside on the card for as long as there is free space for new SMSs. If a new SMS is received and there is no space on the SIM card to store that SMS, the previously marked as deleted messages will be overwritten with the new message. Otherwise, if there is still free space on the card, the free space will be used while the marked as deleted SMSs will continue to be on the card. As you can see, SIM Manager can show you various parts of the contents of the SIM card. For example, the phone book, the numbers which are assigned to each contact. You can also see the own numbers if any of them are written to the SIM card, and so on. Let us switch to the SMS messages section. In this section, you see that some messages are marked with black color, while other ones are written with red. The red ones are the ones which were marked as deleted, but are still on the card. The ones written in black are the messages which are officially on the card, and if you plug the card into the phone, you will be able to see them, which is of course not the case with the red ones, which will be ignored by the phone and not listed when you open the SMS archive using your phone. We could stop here because what matters to us is the possibility to read the previously deleted message. But of course, we may wish to do two more things. First of all, we can try to recover it so that the message becomes visible on the phone, or we can try to permanently delete it so that nobody else can recover it anymore. In the first case, you can right-click the SMS and press undelete, and you can see that it became black, meaning that it's now marked as a typical SMS, not as a deleted one. While in the case of the last two messages, let's just suppose that we are trying to get rid of them. So we right-click them, press wipe SMS, and see that they are gone. Now is the time to commit our changes to the SIM card. So let's press the right button. The updates were now committed to the SIM card. Let's reread it again and see what happened. So we went back to the SMS archive part of the SIM card, and now you can see that the two messages which were marked as undeleted are now there as normal messages, while the ones which we wiped are completely gone. In other words, SIM Manager allows you to completely erase the tracks of an SMS from a SIM card, or it allows you to recover the SMS if it is possible. You must not forget one important detail, that some phones actually wipe the SMS immediately, overwriting its contents with zeros, while other phones will only mark it as deleted. In other words, there is no guarantee that you will be able to undelete an SMS. Whether it will work or not, it depends on the brand of the phone which you are using, and perhaps the model of the phone, because the same phone brands can behave differently as a function of model. Therefore, you must take into account the fact that most companies which advertise the 100% certain possibility of SMS recovery are probably lying, because the technical principles which are underneath this recovery procedure make it impossible to recover the SMSs in 10 out of 10 cases. One more detail that I have to mention is that you can use any PCSC compliant smart card reader, not necessarily one which is provided by Descartes. Any brand will do as long as it's PCSC compliant. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions.